Welcome to the 39th lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. In this lesson, the main focus is on creating high-low hemlines. Whenever we perform division through the sweep, be sure to switch to the new waistband mode first. Right-click on the relevant panel, then switch to the new waistband mode. Add the necessary nodes before proceeding with division. Right-click on the relevant node, select Add Division Line and Nodes. Start by cutting the unnecessary portion. Add the necessary nodes to outline the shape of hemline. Afterwards, set the relevant dimensions to adjust the hemline length. After the adjustment, you are all set. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.